Hey guys, so this video is sponsored by SHEIN and today I'm going to be rating their Glueless wig. This is HD lace and the unit comes pre-plucked. It's 26 inches and definitely true to length. It comes with a band to secure your wig. It's a 6x4 HD lace unit. So before I get into installing and styling the wig, SHEIN is having a huge sale right now. All you have to do is type in wig 11 and you'll see a whole plethora of wigs that are on sale. So you'll see BOGO wigs, short wigs under $25, and classic long wigs starting at $60. Also, when checking out, if you enter wig 24, you get a free gift, which I'm going to show next. You'll receive edge control, wax stick, glue remover. You'll receive some bands to lay down your lace and also an edge brush. This is the lace after bleaching. As you can see, it's definitely giving HD. So this next step isn't quite necessary, but it's what I like to do. So I'm just going to apply my bald cap just to make sure that when I put my lace on, it's going to look natural. Using foundation that is slightly darker than your skin tone helps blend the lace. Also, using scissors like this helps to make the lace invisible. And then, as you can see, when I put on this wig, I really don't have to do anything else, but I like to add a little finishing touches. And so next you're just going to see me using the wax stick and getting my wig as flat as possible. And then next I just use a foam styling mousse. This helps lay the lace even flatter. And now I'm just going to add some layers and then curl the hair. So this next step is what a lot of people forget to do. This is what makes the wig look natural and real. You have to make a part. And so yeah, this is the finished look. I would definitely rate this wig a 5 out of 5 stars. It was true to length. It was pre-plucked, so I really didn't have to do anything but bleach. Also, the hair was silky straight and no shedding, and it was secure. It's giving I just got a sew-in. Like, this wig is not glued down. I can lift it up right now. I hope you guys love this video as much as I love this wig.